Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to find crypto coins before they even launch. So this is a guide on how to find crypto coins before they release basically. So here we're going to go with CoinGecko. It's one of the best ones out there. So right here you can go to cryptocurrencies and highlights and then new cryptocurrencies. So here they have a lot of coins that just recently launched like 39 minutes ago, so you can get ahead of the actual game. You will see what chain it is on and the volume and the FTV. Even the price is listed right here, and you can sort the coin by number, by price, by chain, by hours, or the volume itself, or the FDV. So you have Capybara Nation right here with the FDV of almost 1 million, and last added 10 hours ago in the Chronos chain with a price of 0.0009 cents. So there you go guys, this is one of the best ways to find upcoming and new cryptocurrencies that have just been released. You also have your upcoming cryptocurrencies right here. So you go to cryptocurrencies, highlights, and upcoming right here, and it will list down the next ones right here. So you want to see the added ones, the recently ones right here, and you will see it right here with the upcoming cryptocurrencies. And there you go.